Hello and welcome to Electricity 101. In the previous episode, we learned about the transformer near the home that steps down the voltage one more time before that electricity enters the home. In this episode, we're going to talk about that line that goes from that transformer to your home. What does it look like? How does it work? And some electrical line safety. Let's get started.
The line that serves electricity to your home is called a service line and is comprised of two 120-volt service conductors, with the other being a neutral wire.
These wires braided together form your service line, which is then connected to your weatherhead. Now, depending on where you live and when your neighborhood was constructed, these lines may either be overhead or underground. OPPD takes care of your service line and the meter itself, but the meter assembly, service mast, and weatherhead, as you see here, are installed by a licensed electrician, and for that reason is the homeowner's responsibility. Let's recap here. From the transformer, the service line connects to your meter assembly either through the weatherhead, if your service is overhead, or through a conduit if your service is underground. This then feeds electricity through your home, which is measured by the electrical meter on the outside. This service line should be considered energized in every situation, even if the line is down. Don't go near downed power lines. Please report them to OPPD immediately. In our next episode, we're going to step inside the house and learn about all the different things that use electricity. Until then, take care.